Namaste, welcome to Sushilfoodmart. I am Chef Sushil. Today I am going to make pasta. The pasta name is Net Worth Penny Pasta. You are new in my channels, subscribe my channel. Hygiene is the important part of the food production. So we have always take care of hygiene. For example, should not cut the same chopping board vegetable and meat. If you use same chopping board, there are happening cross contaminations. If there cross contamination, we are victimized of food poisoning. So in our home, always keep three types of chopping board like red, green, and white. So it has no cross contamination. Half kg tomato, 200 gram mushrooms, and this is penny pasta, 500 gram penny pasta. Chopping tomato for the tomato sauce. We're going to make tomato sauce. I'm going to chop like a pronto sauce, pronto tomato sauce, not a concassy sauce. For the net worth pasta, we're going to use tomato sauce 80% and cheese sauce 20%. Also slice the mushrooms. I'm going to chop it. Network pasta is my own creation pasta. It has a little bit spicy and creamy pasta with tangy tomato flavor pasta. I'm going to take 1 onions, then chop it. Pasta, I'm going to boil it. I'm going to boiling water for the pasta. Around it will take 8 to 10 minutes for boiling. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to heat the pan for the sauce. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, olive oil. Add chopped garlic. Half cup of chopped onion. While saute onion and garlic, I am going to add pasta on the boiling water. I am going to add the pasta for boiling. Saute onion and garlic till golden brown. Add tomatoes. One teaspoon of sugar. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. Half teaspoon of crushed black pepper. 1 teaspoon of paprika. We have to stir frequently, time by time, and cook till tomato tender. I don't have tomato paste. If you have tomato paste, you can add tomato paste around 2 tablespoons. If you added tomato paste, pasta is become more colorful. I am going to add chili paste, 1 tablespoon, oregano, and add chopped fresh basil around 1 tablespoon. Cook the sauce around 5 to 10 minutes. Now pasta already cooked. I am going to strain it. Wash it properly. Add water around half cup. Now heat the pan For saute mushroom, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now add 2 mushroom for saute and saute till mushroom is golden brown and tenderness. The mushroom is ready. I am going to add on the tomato sauce. I am going to add olive oil around half tablespoon. We should take care of the cooking time. I am going to add 1 cup of cream, cooking cream. And 3 slices of cheddar cheese. Network pasta looks like a light pink color. Pasta sauce is ready. I'm going to add boiled penne pasta on the sauce. Now pasta is ready for serving. I cook this one for 6 persons. Serve with garlic breads and bread rolls as you like. This is very delicious pasta and very good tasty pasta. You can make it your home. If your choice, you can add more sauce. You can top the pasta with Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. But I don't have Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley, that's why I didn't top. If you like my pasta, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.